Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I will be showing y'all exactly how I made this beautiful money bouquet. This is a sneak peek of how my pictures came out for my photo shoot, so stick around to the end so you can see all of them. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. These are the tools that you will need. I will have my Amazon storefront linked in the description box. I got everything off of Amazon except for the bamboo sticks. They were just a little bit cheaper at my local grocery store. But yeah, you're gonna need some adhesive. I use fake money. You're gonna need some glitter. You're gonna need roses, of course. You're gonna need some ribbon and some foam. All of this costs about $74.62, not including the sticks. But step one, we're going to start working with the money roses, and this is how they should look. To start the prep, I went ahead and, well, me and my sister, because I definitely needed help for this, we decided to go ahead and prep the money by taping the sticks in the center of the money. And then this is how you create the roses. So you fold up each corner, lining them up and fluffing them out like this. And then once you get it fluffed out to the right, like, fluffiness, if that makes sense, because you don't want them to be flat, then you tape the bottom so it'll stay and it'll look like a flower like this. And trust me, if you don't get it right the first time, the amount that I did, which was 100, by the end of that, you will have mastered it. But yeah, it's basically very repetitive. Once you tape the stick in the center of the money, you just fold up both sides and you fluff it out, and you make sure you tape the bottom so that it stays fluffed. And that's how you create the money roses. It's pretty simple. This is very tedious. Like I said, I did make 100 of these. So yeah, by the end of that, they were almost perfect. So yeah, next we're going to go into how I actually make the glitter roses. And so I decided to set up in my bathroom. You definitely want to make sure you don't make a mess. So I just used a box and some plastic just to make sure that the glue didn't get everywhere. But you really want to like saturate the rose in the adhesive glue. And then what I did was I just put glitter in like a shopping bag, a grocery bag, and I just dipped it in there like that and just kind of shook it around just to make sure that the glitter got on most of the flower, because I really wanted the roses to be super glittery and, like, you know, pop in the pictures. But yeah, this is how they should look. I didn't do very many of these. I think it was like 11 or 12. This is what the foam looks like. So now we are going to start arranging the bouquet. And when you are arranging the bouquet, you have to, as you are placing the money inside of, as you are placing the money around the rose, you have to like spin it as you go. And as you can see, I'll be spinning this entire arrangement until it's done. But you don't just want to start on one side and then go to the other side. No, as you are putting in the money, you want to go in a circular motion. And pro tip, you want to tape the roses together just so they stay bunched up like so. I apologize, I didn't show y'all that part. I forgot to record that part because I really was on a time crunch, y'all. Like I said, I was making this bouquet for a photo shoot, and the photos came out amazing. If you didn't know, this was my first time actually making a money bouquet. I know this has been trending, and I really wanted to make one this year for Valentine's Day. Honestly, just for picture's sake. But yes, as you can see, I'm going around, continuously going around, and I am focusing on my placement for the money. You want it to be very like uniformed, and you want it to make sense. You don't want the money to be scrunched up, so you have to make sure you place the money in a circular motion. And this is what it should look like when you are finished, like I said. And I actually used 2 foam blocks just to make sure that everything was nice and neat. I didn't want sticks and stuff poking out. But next we are going to focus on folding the wrapping paper, and I've already done some, but this is actually pretty simple. So what you want to do is you want to take the paper, and of course you don't want to use regular tissue paper. You have to get flower paper or the tissue regular paper for like gifts and stuff. It's going to be way too flimsy. So yeah, just make sure you order everything from my Amazon storefront link. But yeah, so you take the piece of paper and you fold it in a almost kind of like a hot dog motion. So you fold it like a hot dog, but then you adjust it at an angle because you want two triangles at the top. As you can see, before you tape, you want to make sure that you create those two triangles, because when you go to wrap the bouquet, those triangles are going to help form and wrap the bouquet like you want it to be. I know that's kind of confusing, but that's the best way that I can like describe it. If you just watch what I do, then you'll get the gist of it. So now we're going to focus on actually wrapping the bouquet, and this was kind of, it wasn't super difficult, but honestly you may need help with this. But yeah, so how you end up wrapping it, so you take all of the paper folds you take all of the wrapping papers that you have, and how you're going to start wrapping it. You're not going to start at the base. Actually, you're going to start by camouflaging the sticks, and you do that by actually wrapping the bouquet starting at the sticks, and you tape the sides onto the sticks, because that's really the only thing you're going to be able to tape it onto, as you can see. So and you have to tape it to where the paper is actually adjusted to where it's sticking up exactly how it's supposed to be. That might sound a little confusing, but just pay attention to exactly what I'm doing. As you can see, like, I'm taping on the sides of the sticks. Yeah, and you're gonna need a lot of tape. And that was actually another thing that I didn't get from Amazon, was the tape. But like I said, everything will be linked on my Amazon. So if you want to get it off Amazon, I already had tape at the house, so that's what I used. But let's focus on wrapping this bouquet to perfection, because I still can't wait for y'all to see these pictures, so make sure you stick around for that. But yes, so you adjust the paper exactly how you want it. Again, you want the triangles to be poking upward to really create that elegant floral wrap look. And I'm just taping the paper onto the sticks. Nothing major. No one's going to be able to see that. And once you tape enough of the paper actually to camouflage the sticks and everything, then you're going to focus on taping the actual base. And how I tape the base is I just use that same paper that I folded, except for I taped it and wrapped it as if I was wrapping a actual gift. So if you know how to wrap like Christmas presents, then you know what I mean when I say that. And yeah, I loved how this came out. Like, this was my first time, but this is the finished product, and it looks really good. Thanks to my sister's help for, helping me make the money roses and everything. But I'm so glad that I did this, because as you are about to witness these Valentine's Day pictures, when I tell you they 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, look at that. Like, look at that. Beautiful. Shout out to my photographer. I'm super happy with how everything turned out. But yes, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you keep up with me on all my socials. Bye.